Alright, here we go. Here we go. So today it's gonna be a new project. Okay, first of all, I have to begin with, like, to be honest, I feel like for the last time I've started way too many projects and I finished way too little projects. However, there is also the point that, like, my main idea is to fill my portfolio, right? Like, the projects I just like to do, like game engine, right? But it's not something I can, like, it's something I have to dedicate a lot of time to, and something I can just easily use in my portfolio, right? So, right now, basically what I'm doing is just quickly speedrunning the projects I can do, like, fast, with the help of AI, just to get something in my portfolio, and so I can get employed, and so I can pay my bills. So, right now, here, I got a habit tracker project, which is basically fully generated by AI. All of that is generated by AI, right? I didn't test it, and I assume it's not gonna work. At least, like, not out of the box. But it's a good beginning. It's a good beginning, and I can iterate from that much quicker. Also, I feel like because it's Go, it's a popular language, I can quickly just identify the problems, bundle it, feed to LLM, and just tell it what I want to change, right? So we can start with main, right? First of all, let's start with the prompt. Actually, I got all these files, and it asks me to run Postgres in Docker, right? So I installed Podman instead of Docker, which I guess is like, alright. I would probably even say, even better than Docker. So I got Podman. Yep, and I got this make migrate up, make run, make test. If I understand everything correctly, it should run already. How can I check? Podman list. Podman help. Attach, build, commit, compose, container, cp, create, diff, events, exec, export, farm, generate, health check, help, history. Show history of specified image. Images, import, info, display, Podman system information. Podman info. Okay, it's probably not something I want. Init inspect displays the configuration of object denoted by ID. Kill cube is it Kubernetes, play containers, pods or volumes from a structured file. Okay. Load, login, logout, logs, machine, manifest, network, pause, pod, port, ps, pull, push, rename, restart, rm, rmi, run, save, search, secret, start, stats. Display a live stream of container resources, user statistics. Stats. Yeah, so I got one container. And it's probably using, it's used for Postgres. I guess. That would make sense. Well, let's read all the commands. Stop system. Tag top, unpause, untag, update version volume. Yes, that's probably it. Okay, so I ran it. Create.inf file, copy.inf example to .inf file in your details. They should match the Docker command above. Let's do it. Let's copy .in.example to .inf. Go to nvim. Oh, I'm currently in nvim. How do I do that? Control H, right? Command H. Alt H. Oh, it's capital H. Never mind. Capital. Oh, H is here. That was S. Yep, got environment. User. Exim. Actually, it's not what I used. Like, Podman. What was the command? Run. Yes, that was the command. Pickstreak. Password. Is password, right? Yep. Localhost 5432. Yep. Habits. What the hell is habits? It's a name. And it should be Pixtrictor, right? Yeah, just like that, I guess. Server port. Yeah, and there's the server of the server, not the database. Right. Run migration. Run migrate up. Make. Migrate. How do I write migrate? Yep, obviously. Migrate up. Apply migrations. Command not found. BNSH. Wow. Let's check make. Create migration files. Migrate. What is this add sign? Migrate, create. Wait. Also, what is this question mark? Migrate, create, what? Wait, what? Do I migrate? No, I don't have such command. Wait a minute. Docker, disable migration commands, database migration commands. Add, migrate, create. What is this music? It's kinda weird. And I got no context anywhere here. Yeah, that's it. Could you please explain the make file? What the hell is happening? Wait, what? That's so weird. That's so weird. Detailed explanation. Funny. Funny run test. What is it? This special declaration make files of words that follow run tests, etc. are called targets. So it basically checks if there are like such commands, right, available in global path. What it does, it takes make that it tells make that these targets are not actually files. Normally make checks if a file with the same name as target exists. If it does, make might skip the command. Okay, kinda, I don't quite understand why would you want that. Why it's important by declaring these targets as funny, you are guaranteed that make will always execute the command associated with them, regardless of whether a file named run or test exists in your directory. Yeah, but can't you just like ./file? It's exactly what you want. Okay. Migrate down. Echo migrate docker commands. What it does, the inline declares that why it's important run funny. Okay, variables. Special note, the targets commands. Each block defines command. The question mark equal operator for the variable means assign if this value. Assign this value only if variable is not already run. Okay. Explanation attack. The add symbol at the beginning of line prevents make from printing the command itself to the console, leading to cleaner output. It will just see run the yeah. What about migrate? Migrate, create? Huh? Wait. Migrate up, migrate down. Am I missing something? Migrate. Go migrate. Oh. Okay, actually let's delete these broken messages. Oh, I got empty message. Funny. What are these? Migrate. What is this? Probably, yeah? What is this? Migrate tool. And make file. I don't have such. Have such in my path. Should my app be able to migrate database by itself? Probably not. It's probably not its task. Sync of Golang migrate is version control. Like Git. Golang migrate. Okay, let's install it. Reinstall Golang migrate. Next go migrate. So it was here, right? This one is what I need. Golang migrate, yep. Okay, it's pretty popular actually. Oh, NVM. Nix. Write codel. Sudo Darwin rebuild. Hello, Enes, hello! Your fire glasses, thank you, man, thank you. How are you doing? How are you doing? Good, that's great to hear, that's great to hear. I'm doing pretty good too. Like, actually, I just got to 1700 elo in Bullet. You was 16, right? Damn, 100 elo is huge. I guess. I mean, at least for me it feels huge. Wait, but did you just like give up on Rapid? Anyway, I just want to say, how's it called? Exim.me. I just wrote, like, actually I should have been streaming like hour earlier, but I've been writing this monstrosity, right? And I was too caught up, too deep into the process, and I just, okay, I'll just write it. And now here I am. Now I'm still grinding Rapid. Poor you, man. What's your elo on Rapid? Like, why so? Never mind. I removed chess.com from block, but I guess that doesn't help. 1450? It's not bad actually. It was like, what, 1000s? It's pretty good. Bro got banned. No, I banned myself. Like, it's the same way I banned myself from Reddit, you know? But like, recently I removed it. I don't know why. Like, sudo vim etc hosts. Oh, never mind. Actually, you know what? Let it be here. Not gonna lie, let it be here. Let it be here. I'm pretty okay with that. Yeah, so right now I'm building habit tracker. I mean, you probably can tell that from the stream title. Migrate, I need migrate. Yeah, I got migrate right now. Clear. And now I should probably be able to make migrate up. Apply migrations failed to parse a certificate. Anyway, what do you think about the new board? The latest one you show me, like this one, how can I call it? Like with bluish light, right? It's pretty cool actually, not gonna lie. I mean, at least you can see pawns right now. But the board with ducks instead of pieces sprites, it was cool. Like I would not be able to play with such board, but you know, it just adds you some points of respect. Like you don't really care about pieces, you care only the game. Like everything happens in your head. You don't even consider the pieces, you know, it's just some stylish points. But whatever. What is this error? Migrate up. Fail to parse CA certificate. Go land, migrate. This issue should most likely be raised within the Nix packages repo. If you don't need Snowflake for now, you can override the text after to build the desired database easily. Oh. Nix. What am I doing about that? Packages, right? Okay. Go migrate PG? Oh, I have to specifically say that it's Postgres? Oh no, it's because it's... Yeah, okay, I mean, I see now. I still don't understand what you're doing. Okay, so... there's a thing called habit trackers, right? I'm not sure, like, I never used one. Okay, paper one looks good for me. So basically what you're doing, you got habit, and you like pressing the dots that you didn't habit today, right? So like, I don't know, you're reading a book, and like you got the task to read a book for 5 minutes every day, like for instance. And in this habit tracker, you basically just mark, okay, I read book today for 5 minutes, and today I read for 5 minutes, and then like you go, like something similar, GitHub has something similar. Something like that, you know. So like each square is a day, and you can see your progress during the time. And I want to make the same scene, but like you can basically make unlimited amount of habits, and you can like specify what you've done, what you're not, and it's gonna be like a public platform, so you can share the habits you're doing and your progress on doing them. There is an issue with that, like. You can basically specify that you are a superhuman and you're doing every single habit you have added, and you're basically gonna just like misleading everyone else. But I guess it's like not my problem if you're such a badass to not care like if you're lying to others or not. Like why would I care, right? I still don't understand. Okay, and why should we do that? Basically, I mean it sounds kind of fun. It also doesn't sound really difficult, and also I feel like it's gonna be a good project for my portfolio, because like I started quite a lot of projects, and they're all really cool and kinda in some way all novel to me. The point is that this novelty doesn't allow me to finish them quickly, and instead of like finishing them, I just learn stuff, which is not bad. Like actually it's pretty good and what I enjoy, but the point is that I have to finish my portfolio and get employed, right? Right, so I can get back to chess, you know, and to League of Legends. I want to start playing League of Legends on streams. Do you think it's a good idea? I think it's insanely great idea. I'll become the next professional player. My brain it hurts. What's wrong? Like I explained everything in maybe in a fast pace, but in pretty simple terms. Just return to chess. Man, like, okay, listen. The point is, I have to survive, right? Like, not quite literally, but at some point quite literally, so I have to pay my bills. I have to live somewhere, you know? And to do that, I have to have money. And to have money, I have to earn money. And to earn money, like, I either have to sell drugs or to get employed, you know? And I guess, like sell drugs sounds pretty perspective, but I don't see... There's no such thing as perspective in English, right? It's It's gonna be like sounds potentially beneficial, right? Probably that's the best way to phrase it. But on the other side, I want to not go in jail, so I probably just get employed. Why I don't... Wait. Nvim, Flake. Let's copy this. What is it? It's overlay. Alright, attributes. Oh, I see. So I have to remove it from here. Let configuration created here. Undefined name. Wow. Why so? Oh, I can do it here. Right? Why is this formatting is so bad? Can it, like, basically do it for me? Okay, got it here. You will get the J word and fill the J apple. Yeah, I'll fill the job application. I mean, it's not something I really want, not gonna lie. Like, I mean, I see nothing bad about jobs, right? I see, like, I don't really like not fulfilling jobs. And the problem is that in current world, it's really hard to find fulfilling job. And the only, I guess, most, how can I say it, most possible way, the most probable way to achieve fulfilling job is to just create this job myself, right? But on the other hand, I don't have infinite time, I don't have infinite money. The moment I'll get employed, I'll get some stability, and then I can proceed with coming up with with roadmap to get to do what I love and get money for that, if that makes sense. Yep, Red Quid All, sudo Darwin, rebuild, switch, Flake. I'm kinda tired of turning off my phone when I type in the password. Wait, I got the perfect job for you. Okay, I'm curious. Chess Grandmaster. When I'm gonna be paid? When I'm gonna be paid? I can't accept anything that is further than 1 month from starting the work. Anything further than 1 month from the beginning of the work, I can't accept. Enter. Okay, maybe 2 months. I can accept 2 months if it's gonna be guaranteed payment that allows me to pay bills. Enter a tourney and win money. Okay, sounds suspiciously interesting. What's wrong with you? The option Go Migrate PG doesn't exist. I got another idea how I'm gonna do that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go back to Go Migrate, and I'll just install it via Go. Using Go project. Can I just go install? How do you do that? We are breaking the world record and becoming a grandmaster in 2 months with this one. I mean, that would be cool. Not sure about how possible it is. You know, I can approximately get the chances. How likely it is for me to become chess grandmaster in 2 months, considering I have only 6 months of chess experience. Your bets. What is it gonna be? I guess it's gonna be like... Oh, will it tell me in percentage? I want percentage. In percent. Tell me in percents. That's some prompt engineering. Run. So I bet it's gonna be like 0. Percentage just returning 0. It's so good. I revisit my understanding of the request. Initially I saw this as a technical puzzle. Now I see I must provide clear, direct advice. The starting point seems obvious to me. Rather than just returning 0, I need to back it up with a good explanation. I'll need to define the criteria. Grandmaster's explanation is far more valuable than misleading answer. Wow. Wow. Minus 50% goes hard. The statistical likelihood of becoming a chess grandmaster in the next 2 months is only 6 months of prior experience is for all practical purposes 0%. If you were to be extremely pedantic and assign a mathematical number, it would be something like 0.0000001%. A figure so infinitesimally small, it only exists to account for a supernatural event or a complete break in the known reality of human learning. Wow. Essen, do you know something I don't know? Why it tells me it's impossible and you say like, let's do it? What is Grandmaster? The Grandmaster title is not just a subjective term for a very good player, it is the highest official title awarded by the International Chess Federation. To achieve it, a player must meet 2 incredibly difficult criteria. Achieve FIDE classical rating of 2500 or higher. A brand new player starts with a rating of around 400 1000s. A very strong club player might be 1800, 2000, 2500 is world elite level. Scores 3 GM norms. A norm is exceptionally high level performance in a specific type of international tournament. The tournament must have at least 9 rounds, feature players from multiple countries and include a certain number of other grandmasters against whom you must score a very high number of points. This might sound weird, but I accidentally pressed Alt 4. So you basically skipped everything, right? Didn't you? Anyway, so you are like fooling me hard, man. What is this chance like? Do you see these zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 7. 8 including this one. So yeah, that's kinda tough. Anyway, I got an idea how to install Go Migrate. Go install. Just like that. Like that. Better than winning the lottery. Yeah, indeed. It's not a main package. Oh, CLI. I see. I see. How do I install it though? CLI? Yeah, just like that. Great. Anyway, I'm gonna leave. Good luck, audience. Thank you, man. Thank you. See ya. It's like go, bin, CLI. What I got here? XV. Nothing useful. Okay, you know what I can do? You know what I can do? You know what I can actually do? I can just go here and install it via brew. Obviously, I will use Nix to install it via brew, but like it's not the same as install it via Nix, right? Installing Golang Migrate has failed, brew bundle failed, one brew file dependency failed to install. Ah, no cask found. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. AI is misleading me. Not like it's the first time, right? But anyway, Golang Migrate. Wait, it doesn't? Wait, Golang Migrate. Wait, no cask. Wait. Wait, migrate. Wait. Cask is unavailable, no cask with the name exists. Wait. Golang. Migrate. Am I tripping? It clearly states there is such cask. Yep, there is such cask. Huh? Okay, that's so weird. Not gonna lie. Damn, I have to reprompt password once again? What the hell is that? Come on, just build it. Just install it and build it. Please? Installing. What's wrong with you? Brew dependency failed to install. Brew bundle failed. Sending for similar named casks. Brew search? I don't know. Oh, I misclicked. My bad. Brew search. Golang migrate. Here's one. What's the problem? Is there like anything different? No, there is nothing. Like, what the hell is that? How can I explain it? I just can't. Cask Golang Migrate is unavailable. What does it mean? Casks. Oh, it's because not a cask. Not a cask, but what it is then? What is it then? How do I... Nix Darwin, bro. Homebrew installation manager for Nix Darwin. Tabs. That's not what I need. Tabs. Damn, give me an example of whatever it's called. Casks. Use a Bruce cask. My steps. So it's Bruce. I hope it is. Right quit all. So the Darwin rebuild. Okay. Installing. Yay! 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 I'm so happy. Migrate up. Oh, okay, it's another. Failed to open database. PQ database Keybase doesn't exist. Oh, I know why. I know why. Actually, I know why. Actually, I'm gonna lie. I know why. Yank. Make file. Paste. Yeah, just like that. That's pretty much it. Password authentication failed for user pickstreak. What do you mean? Podman. Run. Name. Pickstreak. User. Oh, user. User is user. User is user and password is password. Back? No way! Essen is so back. We are so back. Has the chest grind? His the chest grind? What do you mean? Have you get 200 ELOS in this time? While he was absent? You? Then it's fair, probably. User. I also hit some progress. I installed Migrate tool. Apply migrations! Yay! Here we go! Here we go! Our database is ready! It's ready, PySQL. Oh, it's in Docker, I can't manage it. Anyway, it doesn't really matter, not gonna lie. Like, who cares about managed database? Just return to chess. Brother, have you have you heard what I've just said? Like really? Like to be honest, have you heard what I said? I will just give me I have to build portfolio, right? I have to get employed and pay my bills, and then I'll be able to play chess as much as I want. And I can't tell if I'll want to play that much, but anyway. So now we got Postgres running. We got migrations applied. What am I doing next? Let's get back to LLM-driven development. Right? Migrate. Wait, what the hell is that? That's not what I want. Yeah, migrate up. Migrate up. Make run. Make test. What is gonna make run do? Go run. Oh, I mean, okay. Oh, my bad. Okay, right click all and we go here. Make run. Let's check it out. Run. Is it running? Is it running? Oh, it's running. Level information starting. Service starting. Oh, it's running. No way. AI managed to write the whole app first try? As much as I want, he'll never want it. 100% sure. No, like, listen, hear me out. I like chess. I'll probably play chess a lot in my future life, right? The problem is, I also like this urge to play League of Legends. I don't know why. Like it didn't happen to me for a long time, but like, what it was? It was Wednesday. No, it was Tuesday. When I was playing League of Legends, it was so fun. It was like, this shit is like so addictive. Like I just can't, you know. And I feel like I want to get employed and just all my free time I'll play League of Legends. I mean, at least for some period of time until I get bored, and then I can go to chess, and then I can go to programming and so on. So right now, just the main point is to build portfolio, right? I'm building portfolio, and then we are moving on to anything else, to chess, League of Legends. Like I also have ideas to make music on streams, to like draw some shit. I don't know, like everything I find interesting, I'm gonna do. But for now, I'm like fully focused on building the portfolio. Oh, come on, not the lol. No, man, no, like, everybody gets addicted to it. Yeah, but, like, what's wrong? Okay, it runs. How can I check it? How can I check it? Actually, okay, now, I'm sure it runs. I can just make test. Right? Go test. Pass. Okay, nice. No way AI could... It managed to like, this project ain't small. I mean, it's relatively small, but not for AI, right? It's like there's a decent amount of code here. It managed to write it first try. I need some tool like, how's it called? Like Postman, right? But CLI. Postman CLI alternative. 5 years ago? That's fucking old. Postwoman, what the hell is that? What the heck have I just played in a minute? No way. Guys, do you see that? ignorant of the topic at hand, but came across Post Woman some time ago. This shit is crazy. Everybody gets addicted to it. Oh yeah, I read it. I mean, like, what's wrong with that? When you start, they don't shower plus don't touch grass. So, like, considering I'm already a programmer, nothing will change, right? Right? Like, literally nothing will change. Oh, it's no longer a Post Woman. What? Like, I'm really upset about this one. How it's REST API test CLI tool, I guess that way. HTTPI testing with CLI. Karate. Damn, this GitHub loads hard. Where is my music? Wait a minute. Video pause, continue watching, yes. I'm immune to that atom. Listen, I never said I'm immune to that. Like, okay, maybe I'm. Listen, it's so difficult. It's so difficult. Like, I'm not immune to that. I can feel like this addiction going through my blood. You know, like I'm starting to play LOL, and I feel like I'm able to play it 24/7. But I can manage. Like Tuesday, I played it for some time, and then Wednesday I deleted it because I got other job to do, right? But the point, I'll be able to freely have some like free time without feeling guilty, right? I'll be able to play LOL as much as I can, right? Like, LOL is a really great game, isn't it? It's like, if you think about it, it's pretty much chess, but with much more elements. Like, really. Insomnia. Oh, wait a minute. Is it? No, Insomnia. It's not a CLI. Rap curl. I don't know nothing about all, honestly. My brother games Sam1 when he plays it. My brother spams Sam1? What does Sam1 mean? It's googling it probably won't provide me anything. Just tell me, what does M1 gives that? How to speak English? What does M1 means? Karate. How REST API probing CLI. Refresh. Should I just use curl? Should I just use Postman? Okay, let's just use curl. I have AI, like really? Let's do this. So now what I'm gonna do? I'll just basically prompt it. Give me some curl. Where? Damn, this shit is so slow. Guys, can you hear me well? Am I 5 FPS? Okay, drop frames is 0. Why is it so slow? That feels weird. Mouse button 1. So left click. No, that's probably not how it works. Like you rarely ever use left click. It's probably right click. Like you use right click to like point where you wanna go. But there are like a lot of keys to use. Damn, man, you're like saying like chess is not spamming M1. Have you like? Okay, this shit is serious right now. This shit is serious. I can't take it anymore. YouTube.com @xm live. You're telling me about spamming left click, right? And she just told me like, where is it? Be neglected. Why is bro so calm? Wait, I usually like intensely click all the pieces. Like I'm going just like that. To Budapest. And okay, anyway, let's proceed. Where's music? Give me some curl comments. Damn, it's so slow. to test if... Then, guys, do you see it? It's insane. I got like 2 FPS in the browser if app works properly. Insane. It's API. Okay. We are going through it. LLM driven development. Let's go. Let's go. L for the win. L in LLM is for the win. Trust me, guys, trust me. Yeah, I know you click the piece like 20 times. I had the habit too. Yeah, it's like so weird. It's just like constantly sitting and clicking the same piece. What's wrong with this UI? Why it's dying? Gonna hit the grind. See ya. Okay, see ya. Good luck dealing with 2 FPS. Yeah, okay, thank you. Thank you for coming. See you later. Oh, let's go. I got some Carl habits. Carl habits? Carl commands. One-time setup, create a test user. Docker, exec, IT, habit progress, PSQL, habit progress, PSQL. Wow. So it's gonna be Podman. Actually, I have to do it that way, so it's visible on the stream. Podman. Exec IT is gonna be Pickstreak. PSQL user D Pickstreak 2. I guess. Yep, here we go. Insert users. Test user some fake hash. Insert 01. Select ID from user where username test user. Okay, here we go. Nice. Quit. Damn, that works pretty good. Not gonna lie. Health check. Oh, it even rolled health check? No way. Couldn't connect to server. It doesn't work. What the hell? Why it doesn't work? Failed to connect to local host after 0 millisecond. Couldn't connect to server. Huh? Oh, it's... Why am I so silly? Like, it doesn't... Like, it's not running, and I'm shocked why it's not running, guys. This is insane. Make run. Okay, now it's running. Now I can go here and check the health. Status okay. Nice. Nice. Create a new habit. So what we're doing here? It's h content type JSON. Yep. User ID. Your user ID. Damn. I just cleaned it. Fuck. Oh no, I didn't. Never mind. I'm so smart. I'm outsmart. I outsmart myself. Oh, my bad. What am I deleting? Oh, it's not Vim, I can't undo it. Anyway, let's just recopy it. UID, copy it. Damn, what? Okay, it's not NeoVim. I have to just accept it. It's not NeoVim. Let's do it the old way. ID, user ID, name, read for 15 minutes. Created it. It's so good. No way? It did everything perfectly. Expected output, you will get the newly created habit object. Copy this ID. Log the habit. Marks as done. Habit ID, user ID. Where is habit ID? I don't see habit ID. Oh, it's in a URL. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Damn, actually using curl for API problem feels kinda awkward, but I guess I can get used to it. Not gonna lie. User ID. There should be some more comfortable CLIs. Enter. Done. Nice. It works. Damn, guys, I'm shocked. Like, AI wrote it without errors. It's like, I'm so shocked because I really had such a pleasant experience with AI, I'm gonna be honest. Like, pretty often it's just a slope. Like the habit. Mark is done. Yep. Expect output. Yep. Test user. Use the public profile. Wow. It works. non-existent user not found. Why would you want such? Oh, is it so it can redirect? Okay, that's kind of interesting. Fake user ID. Let's do it. Access denied. Let's do it. We're gonna test this shit fully. Oh, I have to export it, right? Yeah, my bad. My bad. Let's export it and then run it. An error occurred while redirecting file. You keep it ID. Oh, my bad. Let's pass some ID here. Here we go. You don't have permissions to log this habit. Wow. That looks flawless. Validation error. Okay, actually, okay, this is the last error, I can check it. User ID. Where is my user ID? Do I know? Yeah, I do. Validation failed. Failed on the min tag. Error. Wow. Okay, so let's dive into the code then. Let's do on the architecture. There are quite things I want to change, actually. So first of all, I'm not sure about repository, right? So it basically has these queries inside strings, which is okay. Like it's okay, I can live with that. Actually, I just stop on that. I'm okay, I can live with that. I thought about swapping it. Sorry about that. I'm sorry about us. I thought about swapping to SQLC, which is pretty good. I use it, but on the other hand, SQLC can limit you to such degree, and this scene works. So why not stick to it, right? Let's go to main. Initialize structured logger. New JSON handler slug. Okay. I don't need this command. Like it's so sufficient line. You don't have to describe it. Set default logger. Load configuration. Okay. Config load config. Cannot load config error. Connect to database. Actually, load config. What does it mean? Is it .env, right? It config pass. .env. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, makes sense. PGX pool. What is PGX? Like I heard about it, but I rarely use it, to be honest. Most of the times I've been just using what I've been using. I can't really recall. Yeah, I've been using SQLC, and if as far as I can tell, built-in SQL model can interact with any database. PostgreSQL driver and toolkit. PGX is pure Go driver and toolkit for PostgreSQL. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you have to have a driver. Okay, good. What's the latest version? Version 5? Yeah, version 5. What version am I using? Version 5. Okay, good. Defer, db pool, close. What is pool? PGX pool. Pool. Package PGX pool is concurrency safe connection pool for PGX. I see. PGX pool implements a nearly identical. Actually, I have to scale it. PGX pool implements a nearly identical interface to PGX connections. Creating pool. Okay, so it's basically PGX, but for coroutines. Okay, good. DB pool close. Okay, good. Dependency injection. Create instances of our layers, passing dependencies down. Postgres repo repository. DB pool. Okay. App services. Services new. Postgres repo. API handler. API handler. New API handler. App services. Okay. Router. Okay. I mean. Okay. I see how it can go wrong, but okay for now. Start server with a graceful shutdown. This scene I don't like. Where it was? HTTP server address. This one is good, but there is like. Oh wait a minute. Yeah, here we go. Shutdown CTX context with timeout. 30 seconds. I thought about it. Like, it's basically spins it up, right? And wait 30 seconds. If it can't spin up, it just shuts down. Which probably is the best thing to do, right? It's the best outcome, but I'm not sure. Like, server run context. So we got server context, which is basically context background, which is good. Listen for syscall signals for process shutdown. Yes, that's good. Signal notify. Syscall SysUp, SysInt, SysTerm, SysQuit, SysQuit. Okay, launching the routine. So we are waiting for the signal. Shutdown signal received. Okay. Okay, pretty good. Shutdown signal with grace period of 30 seconds. What is this error? The cancel function returned by context.with timeout should be called, not discarded to avoid a context leak. I'm not actually familiar with context. Cancel function. Shutdown. CTX. I guess stop, right? Stop shutdown CTX. And let's just call it here. I don't know. Stop shutdown CTX. Not sure about this one, but okay. And that's the go routine inside. Okay. Shutdown CTX done. If error is shutdown, error context. Slog error graceful shutdown timed out, forcing exit. Oh, it's exit 1. Okay, good. Triggering graceful shutdown. If error server shutdown, error not equals nil, server shutdown failed, error. Okay, good. Run the server. Slog info, server starting. Listen and serve. Error not equal nil and error is not is, error server closed. Server failed to start, error. Wait for server context to be stopped. Server, listen and serve. Let's go. Where it is? Server. Where do I got server? Wait a minute. Oh, no, wait. Server. Wait a minute. Am I blind? Handlers, helpers, roles, config models, Postgres repository, service. Oh, I see. It's a chi. It's chi. Yeah, and here we got, yeah, so here is the service. Handler, router, yeah, okay, I see, my bad. Let's start from the top. So we got new router, which is basically Chi router. I've used Chi. Chi is pretty good. Middleware stack. Use middleware request ID. Actually, however, I thought about swapping from Chi to something like Fiber because of error handling. Go frameworks. Web frameworks. Error handling. Let's check it out. The problem. So handler function which returns error. Yeah, that's good. Comparison. Gene, performance, feature, scalability, community. I know Echo is good one. Fiber? Look it. Echo. Oh, there is no code samples. That's bad. Not gonna lie. Actually, I probably seen this scene like in the video of this guy, Anthony. I can clearly recall him typing comments where he shows each framework error handling. Okay, he basically is net HTTP. Questionable, but okay, yeah, agreed. And this is hard. Middleware stack. Middleware request ID, real IP, logger, recover, timeout. Choose default logger. Request ID. Request ID is a middleware set. Inject a request ID into the context of each request. A request ID is a string of the form, for example, com random, where random is a base string that uniquely identifies this Go process and what the hell? Real IP. Real IP is middleware that sets HTTP requests remote address as a result of parsing either the true client IP, X real IP, or the exported for. This middleware should be inserted fairly early in the middleware. Okay. Okay, I mean... Public roads, health. Funk. Righteous Sun. Okay. Good. Users. Username. Get public user profile. Note, in a real app, create user would be part of a sign-up flow. Login would generate a JWT token, which would then be used to authenticate subsequent requests. Yeah, for simplicity we'll omit JWTs here, but the structure is ready for it. We'll just paste user ID in request bodies where authentication would normally be required. Yeah, that makes sense. But actually I feel like that's enough for today.